Here are 9 fixes for Fingerprint ID not working. It is recommended to try them one by one in order. Fix 1. Clean the home button and your finger. Touch ID works by recognizing your fingerprint patterns, but dirt or moisture can interfere with its accuracy. To fix recognition issues, follow these steps. Clean the home button with a soft, lint-free cloth. Ensure your finger is dry and free of sweat or oils. Avoid using Touch ID right after washing hands or in humid conditions. Remove any case or screen protector that might cover the home button. Fix 2. Properly scan your fingerprint. Touch ID issues can arise from an incorrect scanning position. To fix this, gently press and hold the home button for a few seconds, ensuring your entire finger is on the sensor and avoiding any movement during the scan. Fix 3. Turn on and off Touch ID. Step 1. Go to Settings, Touch ID and Passcode. Step 2. Enter your lock screen password. Step 3. Turn off the iPhone unlock, iTunes and App Store, and other Touch ID options. Step 4. Wait for 30 seconds, then turn these options back on. Fix 4. Remove and re-edge your fingerprints. Step 1. Go to Settings, Touch ID and Passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode. Under Fingerprints, select and tap the fingerprint you want to remove, then tap Delete Fingerprint. Step 2. Next, go back to Settings, Touch ID and Passcode. Tap at a fingerprint under Fingerprints. Follow the on-screen instructions and repeatedly place your finger on the home button to add a new fingerprint. Afterward, test if Touch ID works by using your fingerprint to unlock the device. Fix 5. Force restart iPhone or iPad. Touch ID may not work due to temporary glitches or background process conflicts. Restarting your device can help resolve these issues. iPhone 8 or later, press volume up, then volume down, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 7 Plus, hold volume down and side buttons until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 6 seconds or earlier in iPads with home buttons, hold, home, and sleep or wake buttons until the Apple logo appears. Fix 6. Update iOS to the latest version. Apple frequently releases iOS updates to fix known bugs, including issues where Touch ID does not work after system upgrades or crashes. Step 1. Go to Settings, General Software Update. Step 2. Check if there is an available iOS update. Step 3. Download and install the latest version. Fix 7. Using iOS system recovery. When basic troubleshooting fails, Touch ID issues are often due to deeper iOS system errors, such as those caused by failed updates, crashes, or damaged system files. In these cases, using professional iOS repair tools, like iOS System Recovery, is the safest way to fix Touch ID problems without losing personal data. Step 1. After downloading and installing this tool on your computer, launch this program and connect your iPhone to the computer with a USB cable. Then, click More Tools and enter iOS System Recovery mode. Step 2. The program will automatically detect your iPhone and display the problem with it. After detection, click the Start button to move on. Step 3. Confirm the information on your iPhone. If it is incorrect, you can select the right one from the drop-down lists. Then, click the Repair button to fix the Touch ID problem. Fix 8. Restore iPhone to factory settings. If Touch ID still doesn't work, resetting your iOS device is also an option. However, before doing so, it's best to back up your iPhone to a computer, as all data on the iPhone will be erased after the reset. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone and go to Settings, General Reset, erase all content and settings. Step 2. If prompted, enter your iPhone passcode. Step 3. When a pop-up appears, tap on Erase iPhone. Fix 9. Contact Apple support. If the above methods do not work, it is likely that there is a hardware issue with Touch ID, such as a damaged home button, water damage, or a non-official screen replacement. It is recommended to visit an official Apple service center or authorized repair provider for diagnosis, and avoid attempting to disassemble the device yourself to prevent further damage.